Hello, my name is Omobowale Biobaku, and I'm the founder and CEO of Mobos Fashion, and I'm just here to talk a bit about fashion retailing. Talking about getting new customers, I think we should market more than ever. You can cut down on some expenses. I have cut down on some expenses because I'm a fashion retailer as well. And I've cut down on some expenses, but I'm not cutting down on expenses that would affect the growth of my business. So always think of that when you're cutting down expenses. Don't cut down on expenses that would affect the growth of your business. You can cut down on expenses that are excess expenses, I call them. Cut them out. Let me give you an example. Check the platform that your website is being hosted. If it is too expensive, you can actually take it down, get a cheaper hosting platform. That way you're cutting down. Check your POS, for example. How much are you paying monthly for your point of sale? Check it. If it is too expensive, shop around and look for a cheaper POS, because whether we like it or not, we need the POS to be able to capture all the sales, capture all the customers, and be able to track records and the history of a product and history of, the business, really. So you can cut down some expenses, but don't cut down the expenses that will cut down your business, which in turn will have an effect on your bottom line. You want to cut down on expenses, but increase your spending on the part of your business that will increase your bottom line. Example is getting new customers. How are you investing in getting new customers? Are you just like, it doesn't matter, they will always come? No, they don't always come. You always have to work out the customers, work out, strategies to get customers into your business. What are you doing with your online platforms? What are you doing with social media? At every touch point, are the customers seeing you? Make sure they're seeing you. Invest in marketing in this season. That's one thing I'm doing. Don't cut back on marketing. Another thing I'll say is follow up your customers actively. It's so important. Follow them up actively. They're only just waiting for you to give them a call. They're only just waiting for you to ask them to come, to show them the product or the services you have to offer. That is so key. More than anything, what value are you providing for your customers? It's not going to be business as usual. Whatever you've been doing before, it's time to upgrade. It is time to upgrade. Upgrade your visual merchandising, upgrade your sales, your customer service, upgrade all those things. What are the value you're giving to your customer this season? Why should they buy from you? Why? You need to be able to answer that question yourself before you call the customers in to come and buy. It's not only about the features, but what are the benefits you're offering them? What are the benefits your product is offering them?